it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Tonight we are going to, what is it called? Tonight we are going to Light the Nights Christmas Village. It is downtown, technically uptown Charlotte, and oh my gosh. With the exception of a rooftop bar, that place has the best view of the city, and yeah, just amazing. By the way, this is the end of the night. It was one heck of a day. If y'all want to know what happened today, go watch part 1 of this vlog, because oh my gosh, it was a crazy day. It was a crazy day, but we're not going to focus on that on this vlog. In this vlog, we are going to focus on how beautiful this stadium was lit and decorated, and the gorgeous view of Charlotte, North Carolina in the background. Oh my gosh, so incredibly beautiful. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this vlogmas vlog of Christmasville. I've been to so many places here, I don't even know what any of them are called anymore. Christmas Village.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Christmas time on high.
You guys enjoyed this video. Wasn't that the most incredible view of the city? Oh my gosh, I literally just sat there, me and the kids just sat there and, well, I don't know what they did, but I sat there and stared at the skyline and just the buildings, and just, I could not get enough. I could literally sit there for hours and just look at the lights and look at the buildings and just take it all in. It was so beautiful, and it was a really good, it wasn't the end of the night, but it was a really good part of my really crazy hectic day that I had today. So I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. I don't think I got a whole lot of footage. My camera, or no, my phone was dead. Yeah, go check out the other vlog for all of that. So I couldn't really take much footage on my phone, which has the really great stabilizer. So I know the camera was super shaky. I hope that you guys could kind of like look past that and just kind of focus on the decorations and everything. It was really, really beautiful. And it was $10 a person to get in after 5. And it was beautiful. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. We are getting so close to Christmas. Merry Christmas, you guys. I have had a love-hate relationship with this vlogmas. I know vlogmas is supposed to be just vlogs, but I'm telling you, like, it would have been so boring if all I did was vlog. You guys got to see the good vlogs, the things where I was like actually getting out and being active, because most of December, unless I was doing those things with my kids in the evening, I have been stuck at home editing. And trust me, you don't want to see that video. You don't want to see a video like that. You can't even try to play like you do. So, I mean, I've gotten some hate about it, and, you know, it's just, it's whatever. It is what it is. I understand what vlogmas is supposed to be. I understand the word is vlogmas, but it's just not conducive to my life currently as a single mom that does the whole YouTube everything, from behind the camera to in front of the camera to all the behind the scenes stuff herself and no one else. It's just, it can't be done. It can't. Even though I wish it did, but most of my December consisted of me sitting in my house editing my life away. And yeah, I'm gonna change that next year, and I'm definitely going to enjoy this season a lot more. But I hope that you guys did enjoy this. Who knows, maybe I'll have an assistant by then and I will be able to do like a legit vlogmas where I'm vlogging for 25 days. You never know. Love you guys. Have an amazing day. Merry Christmas. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.